But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie. got the butterflies all tied up. Don't make me chase you, even dogs have pride. You just leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Well, maybe I'm just too demanding, but maybe I'm just like my father too. Maybe I'm just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why don't we scream at each other? That's what it sounds like when dogs cry. Don't you cry. This is what it sounds like.